Hi everyone, in front of me I've got SONY Xperia 5.4 and let me share with you how to reset up preferences on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings, and now let's enter the apps. They should be on the third position. Let's tap. Now we have to tap on see all 55 apps, of course 55 in my case, and now tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. Tap on Reset Up Preferences, as this is the option we're looking for, and here your device is informing you what it will actually reset. So it will reset the preferences for disabled apps and their notifications, default applications for actions, background data restrictions for apps, and any permission restrictions. What's more, no worries, you won't lose any app data, so simply tap on Reset Apps. And basically that's all. This is how to reset up preferences in your SONY Xperia 5.4. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.